In the world of high-performance gaming motherboards, the ASUS ROG Strix Z890-F gaming Wi-Fi stands out. But does it truly deliver, or are there any hidden drawbacks you should be aware of? Stick around to find out. The ASUS ROG Strix gaming Wi-Fi boasts a sleek, modern design with subtle RGB lighting, making it a visually appealing centerpiece for any gaming rig. Its ATX form factor ensures compatibility with a wide range of cases, while the layout is optimized for easy access to components, facilitating straightforward installation and upgrades. Standout features include advanced AI capabilities such as AI overclocking, AI cooling 2, and AI networking 2, which collectively enhance system performance, maintain optimal temperatures, and ensure stable network connections. The inclusion of Wi-Fi 7 technology offers ultra-fast wireless connectivity, significantly reducing latency during online gaming sessions. Additionally, the motherboard supports PCIe 5.0, providing ample bandwidth for the latest graphics cards and storage devices. However, it's important to note that the LGA 1851 socket, while compatible with Intel's latest processors, may not support older CPU models, potentially necessitating additional upgrades for some users. Priced at approximately $430, the ROG Strix gaming Wi-Fi positions itself in the premium segment. Considering its extensive feature set and future-proof technologies, it offers substantial value for enthusiasts seeking top-tier performance. For the latest offers and more detailed information, check out the Amazon link in the description. So what are the pros and cons of choosing this motherboard? Cons: incompatible with older CPUs. Premium price may deter budget-conscious users. May be excessive for casual gamers. Pros: enhanced performance with advanced AI features. Wi-Fi 7 support for high-speed connectivity. Multiple M.2 and SATA ports for ample storage. Robust power delivery for high-end components. User-friendly design, including PCIe slot Q-Release Slim. In conclusion, the ASUS ROG Strix gaming Wi-Fi is a powerhouse motherboard tailored for gamers and enthusiasts seeking cutting-edge technology and performance. Its advanced AI capabilities, support for the latest standards, and thoughtful design make it a compelling choice for building a high-performance gaming PC. For the latest deals, be sure to check out the Amazon link in the description. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment on the video to stay updated with our latest reviews.